morning all. How are you? Welcome back to the next session of macroeconomics. In today's session, we will be starting with SEM 4 of your syllabus, of your session. SEM 3 syllabus we have completed. Now we will be starting with the SEM 4 syllabus. And in SEM 4 syllabus, today we will be dealing with the first chapter, that is your money. Clear to it? Okay. Just before starting with the first chapter, money, we'll just start with the syllabus part and introduction part of your syllabus. Clear to it? Okay. See, your syllabus for this sem consists of 4 chapters. Take the note of it. Consists of 4 chapters. From that, first chapter is, that is unit 1. The name for that is money. क्या है unit 1? Money. And in that you have to study 1.1 meaning and function of money. आपको उसमें से क्या पढ़ना है? Meaning and functions of money. 1.2 you have to study demand for money. 1.2 demand for money. In that 1.2.1 is classical approach. Demand for money is of 2 types, classical approach and Keynes approach. 1.2.2. 1.2.1 is classical approach. 1.2.2 is Keynes approach. Then 1.3 is supply of money. Supply of money. In that 1.3.1, what you have to study is credit creation of commercial bank. You have to study credit creation of commercial banks. 1.3.2 is money measures of RBI. Money measures of RBI in bracket M1, M2, M3 and M4. This M1, M2, M3 and M4 are nothing but the measures codes given to the measurement methods for money control. Next one, 1.3.3 you have to study is credit control method. What you have to study? Credit control method. First 1.1 you have to study meaning and definition of money. 1.2 you have to study demand for money. In that there are 2. 1.2.1 is classical approach. 1.2.2 is Keynes approach. Then 1.3 is supply for money. In that 1.3.1 is credit creation of commercial bank. 1.3.2 is money measure of RBI, that is RBI in bracket M1, M2, M3, M4. Then 1.3.3 is credit control method. Then 1.4 is value of money. 1.4 is value of money. 1.4.1 is quantity theory of money. 1.4.2 is cash balance approach. Marshall, Pigou, Robertson and Keynes. 1.4.2 is cash balance approach. Marshall, Pigou, Robertson and Keynes. Then second unit name is inflation. Second unit name is inflation. In that you have to study is meaning and definition of inflation. 2.1 is meaning and definition of inflation. Next 2.2 is causes of inflation. Next 2.3 is consequence of inflation. Next 2.4 demand pull and cost pull inflation. Demand pull and cost pull inflation. Then significant measures and causes. Significant measuring and causes. Then unit third name is trade cycle. Here you have to study in that meaning and definition of trade cycle. Then 3.2 is characteristics of trade cycle. 3.3 is phases of trade cycle. 3.4 is control of trade cycle, money measures and fiscal measures. Control of trade cycles, money measures and fiscal measures. I repeat, unit 3 trade cycle, meaning and definition of trade cycle. 3.2 is characteristics of trade cycle. 3.3 is phases of trade cycle. 3.4 is control of trade cycle, monetary measures and fiscal measures. Then unit 4 is public finance. In that 4.1 is meaning and definition. 4.2 is scope of public finance. 4.3 is importance of public finance. 4.4 is meaning and types of tax. 4.5 is public expenditure, meaning and causes of increasing public expenditure. 4.6 is public debts, meaning and importance. 4.7 is budget, meaning and types. Clear to it? This is what we have to study as a syllabus part of our macroeconomics in this session. Please go through the syllabus part, content, see to it. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.